Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check liked videos on TikTok. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to TikTok. After that let's put your like. After that go to our account and here you must click on heart icon, and here you can see all TikTok videos that you liked. And that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, write good comments and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.